This week's artwork invites you to paint inspired by Zeus, the king of the Olympian gods in Greek mythology. Zeus is a complex figure known for his numerous exploits and relationships. His legacy unfolds through various myths showcasing his power, personality, and the role he plays in both divine and mortal realms. Zeus was the youngest child of the Titans, Cronus and Rhea. According to a prophecy, Cronus feared that one of his children would overthrow him, so he swallowed each of them at birth. Rhea, desperate to save her last child, hid Zeus in a cave in the island of Crete and gave Cronus a stone wrapped in swaddling cloths instead. Once grown, Zeus returned to confront his father, and with the help of his siblings, whom he freed from Cronus's stomach, led a rebellion against Titans in a war known as the Titanomachy. After a 10-year battle, Zeus and his brothers defeated the Titans and established their domain over the cosmos. Following the victory, Zeus seized control of Mount Olympus, where he became the king of gods and men. He was associated with thunder and lightning, often wielding a thunderbolt as his weapon. Despite his role as the ruler, Zeus is often depicted as a figure of great complexity, displaying both flaws and virtues. Zeus was quite an aroused god who had many relationships with both goddesses and mortal women. As a result, he had numerous offsprings who often played significant roles in various Greek myths. His most well-known children include Athena, the goddess of wisdom, born from Zeus's forehead after he swallowed her pregnant mother, Metis. Apollo and Artemis, twin gods born to the Titaness Leto. Hermes, the messenger god, born to the nymph Maya. Dionysus, the god of wine, born from Zeus's affair with Semele. The three sisters known as the Graces, born to the nymph Eurymie. The most popular myth of Zeus include the abduction of Europa. In this myth, Zeus transforms into a magnificent bull to abduct the Phoenician princess Europa, taking her to Crete, where she became the mother of Minos, Rhadamanthus, and Sarpedon. The Judgment of Paris, where Zeus plays a critical role in the events leading to the Trojan War by appointing Paris to judge a contest between the goddesses Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite. This decision to let Paris choose led to a lengthy conflict. Another myth related to Zeus is the 12 labors of Hercules. Zeus was the father of Hercules, who had to complete 12 labors as penance for killing his family in a fit of madness, a punishment sent by Hera Zeus's wife. The creation of Pandora is another myth connecting with Zeus to punish humanity for the theft of fire by Prometheus. Zeus filled the jar of Pandora with all kinds of evil. The first woman who opened the jar released all evils into the world, leaving only hope inside. The most notable marriage of Zeus was with Hera, the goddess of marriage, who often became jealous of her husband's numerous affairs. Their relationship was tumultuous, leading to many conflicts, but they also had several children together, including Ares, Hebe, and Hephaestus. Zeus is often seen as a symbol of authority and law, overseeing not only the affairs of the gods, but also human morality. He maintained order among the gods and humans, dispensing justice and punishing wrongdoers with storms and calamities. In Greek mythology, Zeus symbolizes the archetype of a powerful patriarch ruling over gods and mortals alike. His legends reflect themes of power, betrayal, and the complexity of relationships, making him one of the most enduring and significant figures in mythology. Through his countless relationships and adventures, Zeus's legacy continues to influence literature, art, and popular culture of even today. Your assignment for this week is to take one of many myths or relationships of Zeus and reflect it on your canvas in your own unique way.